Hey guys, thank you for watching my previous video. So here I am again with the second video, and in this video we'll talk about the full-time calls, the spring and the fall internships, from where to apply, when to apply, and some tips and tricks about the resumes. So let's start. On the first slide you can see the full-time calls that I received. So basically I started applying after my summer internship for the full-time and along with my spring and fall internships too. And for the full-time I received these calls from these companies, and they were basically in the span from September to March. And I graduated last month in May 2020, and so these were the calls that I received in last 4 to 5 months, because like from March the positions were taken down and the hiring were freeze in many of the companies. So uh, basically 2020 is not the year, but we are still in the half year, and positions are now coming up, and the world is healing. So yeah, we are getting new positions now. So I received calls from good companies. As you can see, Genpact, that I am working right now as a senior consultant. I received a call from Amazon, Walmart, JP Morgan, PwC, Charles Schwab, and etc etc. So basically half of the companies from this were like they stopped the hiring and the positions were taken down due to COVID-19. But still I kept on applying, and didn't lose hope. And here I am. I'm working as a full-time employee with Genpact, and I would like to thank Genpact also for providing me this opportunity during this pandemic phase. So moving on to the second slide. So here again, I this is the fall and the spring internship applications. So when to start? So I would say as soon as you are done with your summer internships, or when your summer internships is going on, you can start applying. You prepare your resume. You can write your experience of your summer internship, and you can start applying. So these are the calls that I received for the fall and the spring. And for fall internship, I basically did. I was provided the graduate teaching assistance from the college, and I was uh, teaching for like 4 subjects, 4 courses for my course. And I thought it would be a great option for me, like to be on the other side of the table rather than to get taught by. So to teach was the option that I chose. And for the fall internship I chose sprint as an internship. So basically, I would say that start applying whenever you feel your resume is quite proper, and you can go ahead with the applications. And yeah, keep one thing in mind, that this is not the number game. So don't just keep on applying and not seeing the job descriptions. What is the job description? And if it is not aligned to your career path or to your goals, then please don't apply. Don't go for the number games. So again, these are the 5 sites that I use for my full-time opportunities, also like full-time applications too. So yeah, you can go with the same things. These are the sites that I use for my summer internship applications also. So let's talk about some resume tips and tricks. So I know it's too wordy, and let us go one like point by point wise. So the first point here says that don't use tables or the graphics, and be mindful about the line breaks, tabs, and the bullet covers. So what does this mean? That basically we all know that the resumes don't directly go to the human to the human hands. So it passes through the ATS. So the thing that we want the resume to pass through the ATS is we have to take these steps into consideration. The first is, don't use the tables, don't use the graphics in your resume. It should be proper, and there should not be the line breaks, because when the resume passes through the ATS, the line break seems that it is the end of the page, and it may not pass through further. So your resume may look blank after it passes through the ATS. The second point is a quick check on how you can like convert your resume into the ATS format. So how you can see that your resume will pass through ATS? So the first option is like when you have your PDF, you copy your PDF, all the words, like all the sentences, and try to paste this thing into your Word document. So if everything is pasted correctly in your notepad or in your Word document, then it will definitely pass through your ATS. And if anything that doesn't paste cleanly, could be a problem with the ATS. So this is the best trick to use, like to know that your resume is will be passed through ATS. So the third is, if you use Word, check for the squares with the question marks. So if you use the symbols or any special characters, when it passes through ATS, it will be some kind of squares that you might have noticed somewhere. So yeah, please don't use that. The fourth one is, for many ATS, no one will actually see the whole resume, just the ATS version of your resume. So going back to the second point, so please try to parse your resume before applying. Fifth is, the ATS algorithms are often, like, it is builder basic, and companies won't, or like don't pay attention to the, it works more efficiently. So it is essential to include the keywords. So the resume, like the recruiters, as I said in the previous video, they just have like 6 to 7 seconds to look at your resume. So basically, whatever keywords are there, that is the best way. And like the resumes, the ATS parses the resume based on the keywords, and it bifurcates them based on these things. So yeah, please be crisp with your keywords. And the last point is, if you have an email address that includes the special characters of the hyphens and all, please don't use this, and remove the hyperlink from your the emails and the LinkedIn profile that you have shared, link that you have shared. All right, moving on to the next slide. So this is just the general tips. So break down your experience by individual project and the engagement. Grab the reader right from the start. So what you can do is a basic tip, that when you open your resume, see that how much you can see on your screen, what all parts are visible on your screen. So that is the first glance of your resume. So if you provide the most of your key takeaways into that part, then it would be the best thing, and there are chances that you might be chosen for the interview calls. Then it's in your hand how to give your interviews. And I'll again come up with a new video about the tips and tricks about how to give the interviews too. And all right, so about the soft skills, that is for the interview calls, use active voice and cut the filler words. Avoid the generic descriptions in your resume. So like basically, if you say that being a data analyst, if you say that I have used Tableau and made the dashboards, so that is not the point. You have to follow the star method. That is, you have to say that what situation you were into, and what the actions, what task did you perform, what actions did you take, and what were the end results. So take the ownership, personal ownership throughout the process, that how did it work, like it was your project and you worked for it, and what did you gain from the project. Write a resume that reads so well prospects won't put it down. So as I said in the previous video too, that your resume is your face. So be crisp and be very clear about what you want to say. And the best thing is, you should know your resume well. Like, you should know each and every word of your resume, so that whenever you get a call from the recruiters, you can spend most of the time on your resume, and you can tell them whatever experience you have and what academic projects you have done. And the last point, proofreading errors. So there should not be any grammatical mistakes in your resume. So if any of the recruiter find the grammatical mistakes in your resume, then you will straight away be like they will straight away reject your resumes. So there should not be any of the errors in your resume. Please keep this thing in mind, guys. All right. So when you design a resume to go through an ATS, avoid, as I said before, this is the same things, just to be a little bit of highlighting things. So avoid tables, text boxes, logos, images. So if you're applying in US, your resume should not include any of your photos. Your photo is not allowed in US. So graphics, graphs, or any other visuals are not like they're not allowed in resume. They're not the best practice to use in your resume. So if you want to add on the graphics, your photo or your visuals, so the second option you can choose is the resumes. So you can create your resumes into any of the database sites like Tableau or Power BI or Click, any of with which you are familiar with. So yeah, and don't use the columns, the headers and footers. So informations in the headers and the footers sometimes gets dropped by the ATS completely. So make sure you write very less, or the things that are not very much of importance to you write in the header of the footer. The best thing is the membership or the leadership skills that you have, that you add it in the footer, and in the top your name and the email address and all. So it passes through it, but nobody looks into it with more intentions or with more focus. And uncommon section headings, like you should stick to the basic format of the resume. So I would say is first would be your introduction, second would be your education, third would be your top technical skills, then the business experience, then the academic projects that you have worked on, and last thing you can add is your skills or the extracurricular activities. What I suggest is, what I don't put on my resume is extracurricular activities, because this so when you are selected for your resume, for your interview, from your resume the recruiters have your resume onto their screen. So you need something else to talk about on your calls. So I keep that thing for my interview thing, so I can talk about my other skills and other extra curricular activities that I've taken part in. So yeah, these are the resume tips and tricks, and I am definitely going to come up with the new video again with some more tips on the interviews. And also, if you have any doubts about the full-time applications and the full-time calls, please reach out to me on LinkedIn. And also you can subscribe to my channel for the YouTube. I'll keep posting new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, and stay connected.